Ano daw kailangan ng mga tatay? Ang sabi ko, ang kailangan ng mga tatay ay yung ma-appreciate siya, yung tanggapin kung sino siya, tanggapin yung kahinaan niya, yung pagkakamali niya, yung lahat na kung sino siya. Kasi hindi pagiging perpekto ang pagiging tatay. At hindi ka kailangan maging lalaki para maging haligi. Kasi maraming babae ang tumatayong haligi. So, fatherhood knows no gender. Fatherhood is not about the masculine gender because fatherhood is anything related to giving and supporting life. You know, when you think of fatherhood as being a male impregnating a woman to create a family, that's very limiting because some women are also performing father's role. And some are not with any father at all, but life continues with it. Kasi tandaan ninyo, kaming mga lalaki, merong mensahe ang society sa amin na hindi kami pwedeng umiyak, hindi kami pwedeng makitang umiiyak, kailangan matibay kami, hindi kami pwedeng magreklamo. Pero sa totoo lang, every man or every father is a little boy inside who also wants the love, who wants the attention, the appreciation of people around him. Fatherhood is who we are as we represent ourselves to that family. Kaya nga, fatherhood, more than anything, is a role. And fatherhood, more than anything else, is a responsibility.